Education is changing dynamically. It makes school collaboration an absolute necessity. Ensure productive, collaborative classwork and higher involvement with ONLYOFFICE editors. Text editor to complete written tasks like essays, make notes, and create fillable tests. Spreadsheet editor to build infographics. Prepare own glossaries, and perform quick calculations. Presentation editor to visualize the material, reveal creative skills, and increase interactive work in class. ONLYOFFICE lets you share and review works, correct and comment on them, chat with fellows, track changes, and compare similar files. You can insert citations with EasyBib, Mendeley, Zotero, easily find synonyms, insert video, and do even more with a collection of integrated plugins. Experience all of these features in an absolutely free cloud service, or integrate ONLYOFFICE editors into the e-learning solution of your school. Keep learning even offline on any operations system with ONLYOFFICE desktop editors. Let's build a collaborative environment and achieve more in education together.